Needs are important. But close. Okay, all close. Okay, now. Understand the limb leads?
Yes.
Now about the chest leads. Okay? We will separate the chest leads. These are all chest leads here. These are chest. 6 of them. Okay? Now.
شوية يا أستاذ محمد.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? So this I will put here. Okay. Before starting the chest leads, okay? Let me ask you, do you know the position of the chest leads?
Yes.
One by one. One by one. Not really, no, I will repeat again. I just want to ask you. No. Triangle is for the bipolar leads, remember. Ian Thomas triangle is the bipolar leads. I'm asking about the unipolar chest leads, okay? One by one. V1.
Between the four intercostal right.
Fourth intercostal space, not cartilage. Space, in vowel.
Two and the left.
تمام لا تلخبطنا.
Like here.
Left four intercostal
Okay. V2. Then V3.
Three before هذا between 5 and 4.
2 and 4.
2 and 4 or 5 and the apex.
6.
6 and the
mid-axillary
line.
So if this is yani, some correct and some wrong. So I will now tell you, okay? What is the tartib? Tartib is V1, V2, not V3, V4, then V3, V5, V6. Understand this? V1, V2, 4, يعني
1 2 4 3
واحد ثاني بعدين رابع بعدين ثالث بعدين خامس. Understand this? Understand? Okay, now position. أول اثنين first two. Fourth intercostal space. أول اثنين واحد اثنين. أول اثنين fourth intercostal space. وآخر ثلاثة last three fifth intercostal space. You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah, please.
First two यानी V1 V2 fourth space. Last three यानी 6 5 and 4 in the fifth space.
6 and 5 and 3.
Yeah, three last three.
6 and 5
6 5 and 4. 4 6 5 4 4 5 6 last three. Okay? 3 between two. Again I will repeat. First two fourth space. Last three yani 4 5 6 fifth space. And 3 in between two. Understand? Huh? Understand this? Yes. Okay. Now one by one. V1 here will be shown as C1 or C3. C yani chest. When you will see in the paper, it will be V. C, V, same. Okay? Here it is written C. It means V.
Yes.
You can call it V or C. Okay. V1. Fourth space. V2. Fourth space. One on the right side and one on the left side of the sternum. Yani V1. Fourth intercostal space. Right sternal bottom. V2, fourth space with left sternal bottom. How you count the rib? You know this?
Yes.
From the sternal angle. Okay? So V1, V2 finish. Then V3, no. V4. V4 first. V4, fifth space. I told you. Last three, fifth space. Fifth intercostal space, mid-clavicular line. Yani just below the nipple. Same line. Mid-clavicular line. V5, anterior axillary line. You know axilla?
Yes.
It has two walls. This wall and that wall. Anterior axillary. If you make a line takhayuli, anterior axillary line, this is V5. And mid axillary, Phil Marcus. Mid axillary line, V6. This is the total. Understand this? Now we will attach here. Understand? Again. Axilla is this. Okay? Two wall. This wall and that wall. This is the anterior wall. If you make a line from here, anterior axillary line, V5. And the middle, the markers of the axilla. Same space, fifth space is the V6. Okay? Okay? Now,
لا لا ما عليك.
how will you count the reps? I told you from the sternal angle, from the rib number 2. Okay? Yani I'll check from here. This is the maneuverosternal joint. This is the second rib. Okay? Yani the sternal angle. On the two sides of the sternal angle, there is rib number 2. Below the rib number 2, second space. Below this, third rib. Below this, third space. Fourth rib, fourth space. Okay? Understand?
Yes.
How you count?
Yes.
If there is some problem, masalan obese person or female patient, and you cannot count, so what you will do, if you don't know how to count the reps, just attach the first two, and V1, V2 on the lower end of the sternum. You understand? If you cannot count the fourth space, okay, because difficult, she is a female or obese person, you cannot count, then just put the two V1, V2 on the lower end of the sternum. One this, right and left. Lower end of the sternum. This is sternum. Lower end.
With the rib number 6.
Yeah. You understand?
Yes.
Approximately. It's not exact. I'm just telling you, because in the hospital you can find problems. Huh?
Yes.
There are some patients, female or males, and if you want to take the ECG, how you will take the ECG? You cannot count the reps. Okay? So what you do, just attach the V1, V2 lower end of the sternum. Okay? This is for V1, V2. Now, not V3, V4. V4, fifth space, yani one space down, mid-clavicle. Fifth space, nafsal space, anterior axillary. Nafsal space, mid-axillary. This completes the ECG. Okay? Now, this is the second rib, second space, third rib, third space, fourth rib, fourth space. This is the space. So one here, one here. Okay? I will start from here. 1 and 2. So first I will put here, here. If you come one space down, here, anterior axillary and mid axillary. Okay? And this is in between. All 6? Now, where are the electrodes? First of all, you can see the color of the electrode, all same color. Because I told you, electrodes, no matter what, leads are important. Okay? So very quickly, because I have put the gel, very quickly, just attach electrode with each. Take one set, attach one. Okay? Attach. There are more. No. Attach here. Very quickly. 2 more here. Quickly.
ان شاء الله اذا كان في مرض يحيدر
Class connected? Connected? Just not very tight, but some tight. Okay? Huh? Now see, listen. Check which one is C1. C1. C1? 2?
1 or 2.
Press the rubber with the thumb like this. No. You will hold like this. Okay? Huh? Hold and attach at the level of V1 because this is C1. Attach. Right and left. Just no. What you will do? Yeah, do like this because if there are some hairs, hair side, then you do. Now V2, you attach V2. Somebody else. Okay? Not V3. First you attach V4. before with you. Before with you. Now we three. Now we three in between 2 and 4. No two leads should touch each other.
المصفى
Attach, no problem, no problem. Leave it. Bas, leave it. Bas. No problem. In the last we will check. No problem. I will check also. By 5 in the same space like this. Same space here.
وصل
But
فيك
anterior.
بعيد انا ما
Leave it. Just touch the skin and leave. Touch the skin and leave. خلاص.
استنى.
Okay, now come back. Come back side. Okay, now we'll see. Before you start the ECG, lazim you check all the electrodes, they are connected or no. Because if they are loose, you will not get the ECG properly. Okay? So this now, everything is connected. Now we take the cell. Lazim, this should be attached to the machine. Otherwise you will get nothing. Okay? Turn on the machine.
طلع البلاء.
ريان ترى جنبك.
Off?
مين؟
Because there should be no off. Because
لا
we are not giving him the
لا
current.
تلمس
We are
السرير.
just recording the current.
بعد عن السرير.
In this machine.
كم سرعة؟
See this? Yes. What is the speed? You can see the speed written here. 25 and 10. Oh, 25 10. 25 10. 25 10.
هير
You can see also. Then I will in the end you will see. Okay? This button can change the speed. Okay? Can be 50 or 12.5. 25. Okay? Never touch this. But just check. 25 ashara khalas. Bas. Okay? Okay, you forget. Other things can be different machines. Okay? So you should understand the nazariya. Okay? In some machine this button, machine button mukhtalif. Okay? But the theory is the same. I have told 25 10 bas. Now in this machine, because this is a good machine, automatic machine, there is no need to start or stop. In the other machine I have one button start, other button stop. Here no, just put one button, it will record all the readings. Okay? Process for 10 seconds. Process and print it out. No need to stop, it will stop by itself. Understand this? Understand. Okay. So
They are
everything is
attached,
here?
doctor.
Yeah, I will check. Relax.
الحين يطلع اسم حبيب.
الحين هارت فيلر.
شيخ فضل خير.
Okay, now everything is attached now? Now,
بسم الله عليك يا حبيبي.
this 80, see the 87, 88? See? This is the heart rate which is coming.
88.
The heart rate which is coming. Okay? Now, preparing, then processing, and in the last thing. Now listen. I will give you two recordings. One for him because he has volunteered. Okay? Second, I will give to your leader. Just make a copy of it. He will give you a copy. Okay? You can make it small. Okay? Make a copy on a paper like this. Yani A4 size paper. And put this. Listen. Don't just put this paper in the file as it is. Okay? You understand? Surah, put in the file. Just put in the file. And now you will cut a small piece of it, and put in the box of the 5.5. You have 5.5? Yes. There is a box. Yes. Here you will put the small piece, put a small piece, and you have to label PQR. Any one complex, only one complex.
جالس اخرج الحين.
Label. You know labeling? So you will do like this, okay? So this is one time. I will do it one more. Okay, this is for the leader, and give everybody, make a small copy of it and put in the file. Okay, next time when you will come, lazim you should have this photo state.
Yes.
Because how will we understand? But for the photo state, leader, for the photo state, when you are taking the photo state, should not. When you are taking the photo state, these murabbas should be in the photo state. It should not be very, it should be dark. Okay? So tell the person to make it slightly darker so that all the murabbas, no problem if they become aswad, no problem. But the waves and the murabbas should be very clear so that it will be easy for you to calculate. Today I am not calculating anything, but calculate next time. Okay, now this is for him. Now, when you are finished with the ECG, okay, what the nurse usually do the ECG, khalas, go, and patient lying like this. So I've told you, when the patient is lying on the sareer, lazim you should respect the body. Okay, so what you will do, these are, do you have the manadi? You have, okay, these are some, I think. If you need more, they are here. Okay, so one by one, remove the electrode, clean the electrode and the skin also, and remove the cell. Okay.